Hello guys, welcome back at Son of the Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to do horizontal scrolling in Figma. Well, doing a horizontal scrolling effect here on Figma is actually very easy. So first, let's go and start adding our assets. Let's go and create some rectangles here as an example. Maybe we want to change the color for it. So let's go and pick a different color here for reference. So maybe this color here. And let's go and start duplicating this. So in this case, you want to go ahead and press and hold on it. Press on Alt to basically hold it. Let's go and highlight this too. Make copies of it until we have enough in here. But once you have enough, you can go highlight everything here. Right click on it. And what you need to do is you want to go ahead and make sure that you want to group them together. So let's go ahead and choose the hand tool first here, and you want to right click on it, and you want to go and click on group selection, and you want to highlight everything again. Right click on it and want to go and choose frame selection. Now from here you want to go ahead and change the frame for it. So let's go ahead, choose the move tool again, and you want to go ahead and just adjust your frame here as much as you can. You can move it in your screen again, in here, this one. Again, you could go and move your frame. So this is good. So once you've done that, let's go to prototype here. And from here, you want to go and choose the position here. And you go and choose the option for this one. So you could go and choose horizontal for overflow here. And from here, let's go ahead and start playing this and see how it's going to look like. And from here, we now have some scrolling effect here. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.